Hey everyone, it's Olivia from the Aries Tech team. I'm here to show you how you're going to use your Lifetune Flex after you buy one. Now I've done a series of videos just like this on how to use each of our products, so definitely go check those out. The first way I know how to use the Lifetune Flex is by putting it on a chain around your neck. It is super easy to do, it's convenient, and it's definitely fashion forward. Another popular way of using your Lifetune Flex is by putting it on your keychain. This is how I personally use my Lifetune Flex, and it's always with me on the go. Another popular way of using your Lifetune Flex is by attaching it to your most used bag, like a purse, a work bag, your luggage, a personal item for the plane, a kid's backpack, and many other places for you to attach it. That is all I have today, but there are definitely many other ways to use your Lifetune Flex, so leave a comment down below and let me know how you used your Lifetune Flex. See you next time.